Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to Blossom University. Today we are doing a camel mask and I'm so excited to show this to you guys. I just wanted to say hello to all of my new subscribers and those of you who have not subscribed, I definitely want to welcome you as I'm blinging out this camel mask. I want you to join the Team Blossom University fam. So definitely subscribe, turn on your notifications, and lastly, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine, and of course, Blossom University. So today I'm doing this camo mask because about a year ago, it's crazy because it's almost been like a year since I like officially started working and living in Philadelphia, and I would take the train to work every day. And during the wintertime, I just could not stand that certain people would just be coughing and not covering their mouths. That would like literally drive me crazy. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make me a blinged out camel mask because I thought that would be super fly. Of course, for us, are the crystals of my choice. And I really enjoyed making this mask. It was super fun. The glue that I'm using I actually got from Michaels, and it's not the typical glue that I would normally get. I actually don't think it did a great job at all with holding my crystals. And as you can see, I did use a lot of glue when I was placing these stones because if you use Gem Tac, like when I use Gem Tac, the white glue that's really good for fabric. But when I use that, I like to be a little bit more generous because I know its hold is not as strong as E6000. But this glue, I really did a great job with placing the crystals on the glue, but the glue is just not good with holding the crystals. Therefore, I would see my crystals on the floor. And as you can see, I place these things to perfection. But it really matters, guys. Honestly, it really matters what glue you use. So when you're doing a project like this, I definitely recommend that you use either Gem Tac or some type of glue for fabric, or you can use E6000. I just think that E6000 is a bit more advanced. You can use a syringe, which makes life a lot easier, but it is a kind of a difficult glue if you don't know how to apply it with precision. So this is my camel mask, and I also have a black mask that came in the same pack as this one, and I'm going to bedazzle that one as well. But towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys the final look. So I was going to bling the entire mask. However, you ever bought a crystal and be like, what did I just buy? Like, I don't know. Sometimes I think I know crystals, and then I was just like, this is not what I wanted. Now that I see it up against the fabric, it's not giving me the look I wanted. So I decided not to use those crystals, and I just moved on and started putting these Swarovski uh, jet nut crystals on the mask. So I decided to use two different sizes, and I believe the sizes were SS20 and SS10. So as you can see, I'm placing these stones into the glue, and then I'm turning around my crystal katana, which is my pickup tool, and I'm pushing that stone into the glue. So as you can see, I put those crystals away because I was like, you know what? Nope, not doing it. So I just decided to do every area except for the tannish area. And it still looks super cute to me. The great thing about this mask is it has 7 different looks. And that's why I liked it. Because you don't have to have it around your entire head. You can just put it around your mouth. Like, it has so many different looks. And it has like this really nice inside fabric. And it's extremely like soft on your face. I just think it's a great mask overall, and I'm so happy that I decided to bling it out, and I look forward to wearing it in the wintertime. I'm just gonna make sure my eye makeup is on point, and it's gonna be an amazing day, I am sure. So, if you guys want me to bedazzle a face mask for you, I definitely am going to put that on my website. I'm working on adding all my products to my website right now. So you'll be able to go to my website and then find, whichever mask you want, or you can request a quote and then I can bling you out a mask, which is not a problem. You can always go to my website at blossomingjasmine.com, or you can email me at info@blossomingjasmine.com. I decided that in addition to bedazzling this mask, I'm going to buy a Melania de Rouge mask. They have a super cute one that only goes over the nose and it's really petite, but it has her logo over the mouth area, and I just thought it'd be really cute if I Swarovski'd out one of those. So that's literally my next project that I'll be working on, and I know for a fact people are definitely going to want to purchase that mask. So I'm finishing up, guys. I didn't show you all of the masks. I just wanted to make sure that you were able to see me bedazzle the majority of it. But you get the point by now. So, like I said, guys, I love you so much. I encourage you, like I said in the beginning of the video, to, of course, to like this video, to share this video, to, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notifications, as well as follow me on Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine and Blossoming University. I love you guys so much. Please make sure you tag me, and um, if there's anything else you want to see, make sure you comment below. Love you lots, guys. Speak to you soon. Always, Blossoming Jasmine.